Again, receive certificate of registration as auxiliary Guada. Ay, kabalo mo? Iisip niya, one pa, 1 month agora. Ingalak active ang Jerusalem. Banata nila, lugwa, di ba certificate? Imagine. So, photos niya Sarah and also Ma'am Rizky. May we invite our President Director
Officially member of the family.
to concert to award certificate. First, isa na din siya to award. Okay? Certificate of appreciation with the citation hereby given to Results New Jerusalem Foundation Incorporated in recognition for your invaluable support to the area-based standards network or AXNet for Lanao del Norte and Misamis Occidental Cluster and for hosting the first quarter meeting 2026. Your contribution inspired appreciation and sincerity, and we are truly grateful for your presence and support. Given this 18th day of March 2026 in Orqueta, Misamis Occidental. Signed, R.D. Lopelia J. Huayan, Regional Director.
Okay.
Okay. I would like to take this opportunity also as some quarterly absent meeting. And presentation certificate appreciation is given to Advocacy for Community Transformation Foundation Incorporated, ACT, in grateful recognition of their generous support during the training on pre-marriage counseling, Module 2, at MCC Hotel, Sugon, Lanao del Norte, on January 26 to 30, 2026. Your contribution inspired appreciation and sincerity, and we are truly grateful for your presence and support. Given this 30th of January, Mindanao Civic Center Hotel, Sugon, Lanao del Norte. Signed, Lopelia J. Huayan, Regional Director.
Hopefully, we hope next time. Yes.
And, napag-isa. Pahabol o pakapin. Actually, black mo gini. Grabe gini support yung mga Helen. Pero for the time being, pila ka black awards ang nakalisip naman. Dagang natin sa mga anniversary. So, nag-listen ng supplier. So for the meantime, certificate na siya. Pero the best thing, duha yung matawag. After certificate na black. Ang black coming. No? Ma'am Jun, no? So again, certificate appreciation is hereby given to Ms. Helen A. Tesoro in grateful recognition of her support during the training on pre-marriage counseling, Module 2, at MCC Hotel, Tubod, Lanao del Norte, on January 26, 2026. Your contribution inspired appreciation and sincerity, and we're truly grateful for your presence and support. Given this 30th day of January, MCC Hotel, Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Signed, Regional Director, Lopelia J. Huayan.
Wow, thank you. Salamat.
And thank you very much.
Salamat.
Mana, dali na.
Very nice.
May we request for another photo ops? Include na to ang mga members sa New Jerusalem sa likod. Apil mo, sir, ma'am. Sir, ma'am, apil mo. Kamu na magiging naghago ang preparation. Salamat sa iyo. So, dito, ma'am.
Pusing. Nah. Malinom na anak.
Kaya. Kailang. Ha? Napil? Ha? Napil ko?
I-do lang picture.
Ah. Hindi mo naka-picture. Ito lang yung mga tanong na.
Yung iba. One, two, three, go.
Ay. Live man. Live. Ayan na.
One, two, three, smile.
One, two, three. Ikaw, ma'am. Picture ba? One, two, three. One, two, three.
Okay.
Please post the pictures sa itong GC ha. Parito na kayo mag-grab. Please post sa GC mga pictures. Thank you.
Lah. Uy, wala. Rabat na naman ang fill up. Live ni Kareng Rico. Lah. Sino ito? Ito. Ulo. Finish na na. Finish na na. Saan mo na pagkuhan nga?